Here's a 2016 Toyota RAV4. This dynamic, elegant, and spacious RAV4 is the right choice for whatever's next. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, rear parking sensors, push-button start, front heated bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Automobile writes that altogether this is a more refined and poised Toyota RAV4. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.